Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this session in which we will simplify this radical Olympiad, radical math equation. So we will find the value of x, right, using Excel, right? And thanks to this video, it's a very great presentation, and I advise everyone to go to this presentation, and especially the students uh, who are preparing for exams or etc. In which, of course, you are mostly the students are not allowed to use the Excel, and they have to solve the problem without any uh, calculator or advanced calculation machine. Or scientific calculators are also not allowed uh, in some environments. But it's a nice thing to learn that how to apply the Excel functionalities, and how Excel can help you uh, quickly solve your equation like this, okay? So you have so many roots, right? And that is all equal to 5, right? 4 roots, and you have to find the value of x, right? So let's just start from the outer one, right? The outermost x is actually, it's where we take this as x, right? And forget about the value, it will come automatically. Uh, let's put anything like this. So, let's say it's 1, for example, right? Later on, the x value has to be determined. First, we have to set up uh, the structure, right? The outermost structure is x root, right? So that is the value of x. Let x is equal to 1, right? Then then it is going to be calculated with the exponentation mark, right? Which is used with shift and 6. If you hold down shift and press strike the 6, you will get this caret mark. So this is for exponentation. And 1 oblique 2 is actually the square root, right? Okay, so this is the outermost x, right? The next is the same thing, the same x, and that is now raised to power not 1 oblique 2, but it is 1 oblique 4, right? So this is 2, 1 oblique 2, this is 1 oblique 4, this is 1 oblique 8, and this is 1 oblique 16, right? So this is how we are going to do that. Right? So this is 4, and this is 1 0 oblique 1 oblique 8, and this is 1 oblique 16, 1 upon 16, right? Okay. So 1 divided by 16 will be the smallest one. Okay. So these are the 4 elements. These have been worked out, and if we multiply them all together, right? This multiply by this. If you see this, multiply by this, multiply by this, and this, right? So all 4 have been multiplied. Now we are ready to run uh, our uh, function that will determine automatically what is the value of x, right? So k1 is the x, right? Everyone has a k1, that is the x, right? every root has an x, right? So that is, so in all this, it has, instead of x, it is k1, right? That's fine, okay. Or you can also name it as x if you want, right? This is x. So what would happen that instead of k1, you can now write x, so that you are not confused, okay? So this is now x, right? We enter, that's right. And we find the k1 and replace with x in the formula of the selection pattern, okay? Within the selections, not within the sheet, uh, within the selection, okay? So that's fine, okay, replace. So we replace all in the formula, right? So these are, all right? Okay, so three replacements have been done. That's fine. Now you have x raised to power 1 oblique 2, x raised to power 1 oblique 4, then 1 oblique, okay, 1 upon 8, and 1 upon 16, right? So this is how you have calculated it. Now all you need to do is run, is multiply them, right? Now let's run the what if analysis in the goal seek. We are going to set this this cell to the value of 5, right? Because because this is our part of our question, that all this application, this multiplication result is uh, to be equal to 5, right? So by changing the cell address, that is x, okay? So we click OK. So it is now working. It has worked out. Yeah. So 8.46 is the target. Is the x value, right? So if so, x value is 8.46. Okay. So this is as per the goal seek solution, right? I am wondering that when I see this video, I got the result like this. This is the result, final result, and it has calculated, yeah, it has calculated x value as 5 raised to power 16 of 16 divided by 15 means this is how it has worked out, right? So if I take this, so we have a power function 5 and raised to power 16 divided by 15, right? So the value is not matching, unfortunately. So this is a puzzle, and I need to know the answer of it. I will consult with the mathematicians, my experts, and I invite everyone to solve this puzzle for me. I will be thankful to you. So as far as my working, this is clear that we have used uh, this methodology by actually making uh, these segments of all these. Means these are dividing all this equation left side of the equation into the 4 segments. Yeah. So maybe I not supposed to multiply all them as I am doing. that might be the reason, but I'm not sure. Please, I invite my viewers to guide me, and I hope you will find this interesting. The reason, the result is, as per the video, the result is this. I was targeted. This is the first time that I found that the value resulted by the goal seek does not match the result which was shown in the video. Okay, so I want this is the question. It's a query, and I invite my viewers to come up with this with some their advices and suggestions, and uh, help me uh, solve this issue. Thank you very much for that. Let's test ourselves about our learning. So there are the two questions we can answer. Goal seek in Excel is a tool that uh, helps you find the output value in a formula for which you already know the input, or helps you find the input value in a formula for which you already know the outcome or output, right? Alright? Uh, yeah. Or it helps you find the minimum value in a formula for which you already know that, or the maximum value in a formula. So the right answer is this. Okay. So let's go to the next question. The next question, goal seek is a tool located where? And a data analysis, yeah, and solver, no, okay, and data forecast and what if analysis. Data forecast and what if analysis, and data analyze and data analysis. Data analyze and data analysis, no, okay, or data analyze. So the right answer is data forecast and what if analysis. That is going to take you to the goal. So right answer is this. Hey, thank you very much for watching. See you in our next presentation.